Today I'm showing you how to make this very tasty and delicious snacks. This is one recipe that you really have to try. Super delicious and very easy to make. The first thing you want to do is to measure your all-purpose flour. For this recipe, I'm using measuring cup. I usually recommend using a digital scale for accurate measurements, but if you're using a cup, here's the right way to do it. Gently scoop your flour into the cup with a spoon, then level it off with the back of the spoon, just like you've seen in this video. Once that is done, pour the flour into your mixing bowl. Do not forget to check out the description box for the full ingredients list and measurements. So I divided this recipe into two variations, one full batch and one smaller version in case you just want to make little quantity. Next, add in your baking powder. Be sure to level it off so you don't end up with too much. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Theresa Metuka. So do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop a new video. You can as well click on the share button. So the next thing you want to add is your cinnamon. So you can decide to use nutmeg or any spices of your choice. Then go in with salt and give everything a very good mix. So I really wanted to try out this recipe. Honestly, it's just so delicious, very buttery, very soft, very tasty. So please do try it out. This is actually my second time making this video on my channel, and because it's highly requested, so do well to try it out. So once you're done mixing your flour mixture, just set that aside. Next, in another bowl, go ahead and crack in some eggs. Next, go ahead and add in some milk, melted butter, and your vanilla extract. I'm using the clear or white vanilla extract, but you can absolutely use the regular brown one. They both work perfectly fine. Then add in your sugar and give everything a very good mix. You want to make sure the sugar dissolves nicely into the mixture.
Just right, feels like home. Every bite takes me where I roam.
So next thing you want to do is to combine your dry ingredients with a wet mixture. I recommend adding about half of your dry ingredient first and then mixing that in. Make sure everything is well incorporated before adding the remaining half. So once you've added it all, mix until you get a smooth and well combined batter. You don't want any lumps in there at all.
Dressed in its best, saffron rice, creamy risotto.
So this is the consistency your batter should look like, nice and smooth, just like this. One thing you really want to do here is follow the measurement closely, and I promise you, you will get the same perfect result. So the next thing you want to do is to heat up some oil. I highly recommend using a very reasonable amount of oil. To avoid wasting oil, you can use small pots. That way the oil will be deep enough for frying. Once your oil is heated up, it's time to start frying. You can scoop the batter using your hands just like I'm doing here, or just use an ice cream scoop if you prefer. Gently drop the batter into the hot oil and make sure your heat is on medium to low. This snack fries very quickly. In about 2 minutes, this should be done. So you don't want the outside to be brown too fast while the inside is still uncooked. Fry until golden brown on both sides, then remove and place them in a sieved line with paper towel to drain excess oil. Before adding the next batch, always reduce the heat slightly, then bring back to medium to low, and then add in the next batch. So you will notice some tiny bubbles forming while frying, so do not be afraid. It's just the melted butter doing its magic to give your snacks that rich, soft, delicious flavor and texture. So one thing I love about the snacks is that it's not oily at all. You honestly wonder if it was even fried because there will be no trace of oil when you were eating it. It's so soft, delicious, and just irresistible. So this is definitely a crowd pleaser, and I really want you to try it out. Just promise me you're going to try it out. Just promise me that you're going to give this a go. So when you do, please let me know in the comment section how it turned out to be. You can as well share your results with me in the YouTube commenting tab. So just go there and dump your pictures. Thank you so much. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, do not forget to share. Do click on the share button and also check my other previous videos. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. A lot of kisses.